this was the most popular because this set has it all. You are going to be using this set over and over again. It's one of those that you're not going to put away because it's all occasion, and it really is. So I realize the dies are upside down, or backwards actually, but what we're going to do is I'm just going to name them off to you really quick just to show you everything that you're going to get. You're getting Thinking of You, Get Well Soon, Happy Anniversary, Happy Birthday, With Sympathy, Thanks So Much, and Hello. You're also getting the shadow dice for each of those. You are getting the stamp set, and just so I can tell you, these are photopolymer stamps. These are not acrylic stamps. If you know, you know, photopolymer is the way to go. Those are all photopolymer stamps. You are getting your 5 adhesive sheets, and I'm going to show you how easy these are to use because, my friends, I feel like you're not using them. I want you to use these, and they're so easy peasy. And you're getting that awesome idea card. Now, this fun little die here that you're also getting is perfect for those stamps. Let me show you what I mean, because here's an example. I have my cute little hello card right here. Aww. But look at that. You are so kind, my friend. That stamp, those stamps are in the set you're getting, and those strips are what you're die cutting out of this easy die, right? This little die right here. You're going to die cut those strips, and then you're going to stamp. So you're going to have that cute little title on there. There's Hello, With Sympathy, Sending You Lots of Love. So now that little die set and the stamps are in this kit. Here's another one, With Sympathy, You Are in My Prayers. Here's another one, Just Thinking of You. Look at that gorgeous foil paper. Isn't that gorgeous on there? Now again, die cutting glue. Now when I say die cutting glue, I want to show you how easy it is to die cut and glue because I need you to see this. So here we go. Here's a regular cardstock. This is our adhesive sheet. What you're going to do, there's instructions on here, but what you're going to do is peel here slowly. You're going to peel that off. This is trash. Now, all of this right here, don't touch it. It's sticky, but there's a little lip here that I can hold. I'm going to flip that over and put it on the back of my cardstock or pattern paper. Now, guess what? This entire sheet is now a sticker. I can die cut it, and that's what I've done here. I put it through my die cut machine, any standard die cut machine. I put it through my die cut machine, and then I got this. Now, you're just going to peel off the backing, just like this. And now, that is a sticker. Look at it, it's sticking to my finger. You don't have to worry about putting adhesive on the back of this, like with a tape runner or glue or anything like that, because it's already stuck. Now, I've already die cut the shadow. Look at how intricate these are. Can you imagine trying to add glue to the back of that?
I couldn't.
Oh, absolutely not. No, no, no. You're going to use those adhesive sheets, and look at how simple. I'm going to lay that down. Boom, done. Give it a little press to make sure it stays, and now you're done. And now you're going to be able to do fun cards like this. Get Well Soon. You Are in My Prayers.
I need to give everyone an update, Stephanie.
This one's going to go fast.
Less than 400 left.
Yes.
That's it, and they're done. We will not have any left. If this is the one you want, $13 and change to get it home, but do not miss this. 400 left. We had 500 just a minute ago.
Okay, yeah. This one, I'm telling you guys, this one is going to go the fastest because look at that. It's every day. You are going to be using these all the time. You're never going to put these away because they're everything. And you're thinking, oh no, I wish we had holidays. Coming soon. It's coming in a couple more tables. It's coming. But here we go. This is your all occasion. These are the ones that you're going to use over and over again. It has that beautiful font. It's a beautiful script. But look at that, With Sympathy. And remember, you're also getting the stamps as well. Wishing you a happy birthday. Now let's look at the stamps again because I didn't really go over the stamps very well. But we have wishing you a have an amazing day. Love you, my friend. I'm here for you. You are so sweet. You are so kind. My friend. Sending you lots of love. For being my friend. You are in my prayers. Lots of different options. So you're going to say, with sympathy, you are in my prayers. Or thinking of you, sending you lots of love. So there's lots of different options and different ways that you can make these stamps and dies, but they go together. You're going to store them together, and you're going to use them over and over and over again because they are so awesome and they coordinate so incredibly well.
And look how many, look at how many variations you have. You're showing us a lot of these cards right now. So remember, you're getting all of this in the kit, but look at all the things that you can do with these.
Right, absolutely. And again, like I said, you're going to be using this on all the time. It's going to be one of those that you do not put away because it has every all occasion in there, just not the holidays, because the holidays are coming up next. Look at this, get well soon. Look at that.
Oh,
I mean,
that's
imagine sending that
beautiful.
die cut and glue. That's all you're doing is die cutting and gluing, and so simple and so easy.
This is very, very limited, less than 400 remaining. You have to grab this now. It will not last throughout the day. Under $40 or $13 and change on your flex pay. Make sure that you do not miss this. 912-366 is your item number.